Have you ever wondered how farmers grow and harvest durian? If you're curious about the process of cultivating durian, this video is for you. Most durians are grown from grafted branches, as this method ensures healthier trees and faster harvests. Growing durians from seeds isn't economical because seed-grown trees tend to be weaker, grow very slowly, and often fail to produce fruit. The durian saplings in this video were purchased from a specialized farm that provides high-quality durian saplings. Upon arrival, the saplings are left to rest for about 2 weeks to adapt to the local climate. During this period, they are watered regularly to ensure they recover fully from the stress of long-distance transportation. Once the saplings are stable, they are carefully transported to the planting site. Special care is taken to avoid breaking the soil ball around the roots, as damaged roots can harm the tree's growth or even kill it. Next, planting holes are prepared. Each hole is about 1 meter wide and 0.7 meters deep, with 5 to 7 meters of spacing between holes. This spacing ensures the trees have enough room to grow and thrive when they mature. After digging, the soil is treated with lime to eliminate harmful fungi and pests. Organic fertilizer, made from composted pig manure and dry leaves, is then added. This method avoids using chemical fertilizers and promotes sustainable farming practices. During planting, the bottom of the soil bag is carefully cut to avoid damaging the roots. The sapling is placed in the center of the hole. And the soil is gently filled in to cover the root ball completely.
Đất nó ướt rồi, nó không dính, không có nổi nào đâu. Nó quy trình trong của một cây đó.
Ensuring no roots are exposed above the surface. This protects the roots from rain, pests, and small animals. Adequate watering is crucial for durian trees during the early stages. To ensure a steady water supply, farmers often dig deep wells. In areas like mine, where the dry season can be intense, an automated irrigation system is installed. This system efficiently conserves water while ensuring consistent hydration for the trees. After about a month, once the saplings have settled, the first round of fertilization is done using fresh pig manure. From there, the durian trees are monitored as they grow.
Quýt cái gì nó nghe mùi con tưới, cái này thúi thúi đó lại. Đạm. Phân đó, hiểu không?
6 months old, the trees show noticeable growth. 1 year old, the trees are thriving and developing well. 3 years old, the trees are strong and nearing maturity. 4 years old, the first harvest begins. To encourage better fruiting, small branches are pruned, so the tree can focus its energy on larger, stronger branches. This is essential for producing high-quality durian fruits, as too many branches can lead to poor fruit quality and increased fruit drop rates. During this stage, pests and fungi may attack the tree, leaving small infected spots on the bark. Farmers scrape off the affected areas and apply protective treatments to prevent the tree from weakening or dying. Around December, durian trees begin to bloom. Unlike other fruits, durian flowers grow directly on the main trunk and branches. During this flowering stage, water management is critical. Too much water can cause flowers to fall, while too little can stunt their growth. Although durians can self-pollinate, hand pollination ensures a higher fruit set. This is usually done at night to avoid disturbing pollinators like butterflies and bees during the day. Farmers use soft brushes attached to long poles to transfer pollen between flowers. Once pollinated, the flowers shed their petals, leaving behind tiny fruit buds. These buds grow, and weaker fruits naturally fall off, leaving only the strongest ones to mature. Each tree initially produces 300 to 500 small fruits. However, farmers selectively prune the weaker fruits to ensure the remaining ones grow larger and of higher quality. At this stage, the fruits are tied with ropes to prevent damage from strong winds and to ensure safe collection when they ripen and fall naturally. To support the optimal growth of the fruit, farmers tie ropes around the durian to protect it from falling during strong winds. Additionally, this ensures safety when the fruit ripens and falls naturally, as the ropes catch the fruit, preventing it from hitting small animals below or injuring workers in the orchard. Durian harvesting involves carefully cutting the fruit to check its readiness. Experienced farmers rely on the sound of the fruit when tapped to determine ripeness. Harvesting is done in batches, as not all fruits ripen at the same time. The price of durians varies by type, such as Re6, Muntong, seed-grown varieties, or the highly prized Musang King. In my area, Musang King fetches the best price, followed by Muntong, Re6, and seed-grown durians. Naturally ripened durians that fall from the tree have a uniquely delicious flavor. If you've never tried one, it's an experience worth having. If you found this video helpful, follow me for more content. Let me know what you think in the comments below.